Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A13. So please note that this is the international version of the A13. There's another version, A13 5G, but this is only available in the United States. So this is the A13 now. Okay, let's open it. Okay, let's have a look what's included. Like this. So first of all, we will have a box here. We will have a look later on it, and that's the phone. This is how it looks like. And then we will have here the SIM injection tool at the bottom of the camera hole here at the box. And then let's have a look what we have here included. We have USB-C cable, so USB on both, as USB-C on both sides. That is very important because if you want to buy a plug-in, it requires USB Type-C. Okay, and then we will have as well some manuals in, but in a very short way. So I will make some more videos here to show you some tutorials. Yeah, one more time, we will have the phone, we will have a double-sided USB Type-C cable, but no plug-in. You have to organize it by your own as well. Also no headset here. And we have some injection tool and some manuals. Okay, let's have a look here on the phone. We have every basic features we need here. So we will have a power saving mode here. We have a flashlight. We can use the phone as a mobile hotspot. We have a blue light filter, what is good for the eyes, in combination also with the dark mode. We have a QR code scanner, important during this time. And we will have also a one-handed mode. So that means we will have here a mini screen. You can also play games with it, and in the mini screen it's on your full access, just here on the mini screen, and you can use your phone easily just with one hand, and also with left hand. They really thought about everyone. And yeah, we will have 3 cams here as well. So I will show you in the next days what you can do with. So we have also a fingerprint sensor, which one reacts very fast. As you can see, you can do a lot of stuff with the phone, and it's also very well in the hand, by the way. So I think especially for starters, the phone is a good choice. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video, with this quick overview here. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment, or if you have any questions, you can also ask me in the comments. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me also a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can have also a look on one of my other videos. As I said, I will bring out also some new videos here for the phone in the next days, or you can subscribe me to don't miss one of these new videos. Thank you so much for all your support in any case, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.